Perfect.
What's up, y'all? It's just Sasha B. If you're new here and you like what you see, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Of course, watch the video first and see if you like. If you are OG, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. Today, I am on a retreat. Just got an Airbnb. I got the Airbnb for $49. I've been here for 2 days. I'll be leaving tomorrow. And I paid $49. I'll tell you how in a minute. All right, I got a hot link. I got some chicken. These were made on the grill. The corn was made on the grill. I have some pasta salad here that I'm about to tear up. And I really feel like this time I'm going to clean my plate. Okay? Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. The camera might mess up from time to time because there's a light behind me. I'm sorry, y'all. So, I'm gonna talk later. But I'm watching this movie, You're Not You. It's interesting, I'm gonna talk about it. It's 6 o'clock p.m. I did about 45 minutes to an hour of meditation today. It was wonderful. Went and sat in the sun for a little while, so I got my tan on. Let me take a bite of this. Whew. I'm back, y'all. And I'm sure my food is cold, but guess who cares? My storage was full. Whatever. I'm gonna eat still. I love grilled corn. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing good. I don't think I said happy birthday to Ashlyn on the video yesterday. I may have. But today's her actual birthday, June 27th. Same day as my sister's birthday. That was yesterday, y'all. Y'all see this beautiful background? Look at that. Just thought about something. Don't worry about it. I just thought about something I want. I found this in Walmart. It's Orange Kiss. Oh, excuse me. This tastes like orange soda. It's good. Well, I'm sorry. This bread is not good. Not good at all. So this movie, You're Not You, it's about a woman who develops MS. Why'd you spit that out, huh? Multiple sclerosis. I don't want to give the wrong description of what the disease is, so please go look it up. But it's when your muscles fail. It's when your motor skills diminish and you end up needing somebody to take care of you. It's good. It's seasoned well. Let's see if you go look at yesterday's live, but let me tell you something about the lives. I private the lives. I don't delete them. So I still have them. And I'll be making them for members. Or open them up to some people who say, oh, I didn't get to see it. I'm fine with that. Y'all gotta try it here. That's good. I'm supposed to do some snacks after this video, but I feel like I'm eating everything. I don't know if I'm gonna have room. Yeah, I'm thinking about moving. Out of California. The most important reason is the cost of living in Los Angeles and California. And for me, I would prefer to pay the rent that I'm paying. I live in a 2-bedroom in Los Angeles. My rent is the amount of some people's mortgage. So if I can afford a mortgage somewhere else, I want to go there, okay? And have a big house. Like, we don't have a lot of land in California. No, this is land. That's a desert, though. Then you can cut all that. I guess you can cut it and build something on it. I personally don't want to live out here. It's hot. And there's not a lot of things, but I want to go somewhere like a city, big city or nice city like LA, but so like half and half, but I can have a cow and a horse and a chicken. Because that's what I want, for real. I want to live on a farm. I always have. I wanted to be a vet when I was a kid. I can do that now. Let me tell y'all, let me explain this to you guys. Your life is never over. Until you're finished. Until you're not here. Your life is never over. I could say, oh, I can't go be a vet because I'm 43. That would take me 8 years. Okay, I'd be 53. Still alive, still kicking, still gotta do something, right? I could say should have went a long time ago. I forgot what I was gonna say actually. Give me a second. You can say, oh, it's not the right time. I have to work. I don't have time. I'll only be able to go to school at night. I won't be able to spend time with my friends. I won't be able to spend time with my family. Okay. As long as you're happy with that decision, that's fine. But you can. You can do whatever you want to do. I have a friend that he's never went to school. He's had jobs or whatever, but never made much money. And he's around the same age as me, and he thinks that we have the conversation. He feels like there's something he wants to do, but he has to go to school for it. He's like, well, I can't go to school. Why not? Oh, I ain't never been to school. I don't know how to. Yes, you do. Go. Just go. 10 years from now, if you don't do what you wanted to do, you're going to be in the same position you were in 10 years prior, you know? I can go to school right now for veterinary medicine. And by the time I'm 53, I can have my own practice as a vet if I choose to. Period. I can decide that I want to be a zookeeper, and go live in the mountains. That's a little far for me, living in mountains, but my point is, do what y'all want. Let me tell you about the lady. So Hillary Swank I don't want to give the whole movie away, but she developed MS, and her husband had been taking care of her. You know, she had her mom taking care of her. She had another person taking care of her. But ultimately, she lives with her husband. He's doing the brunt of the work. He has a career. He's tired. She decides that she's going to hire... I don't want to tell y'all the whole story. This is what I want to ask you guys. Hypothetically, if your husband or your wife or your girlfriend, boyfriend, somebody that you really do love, you really love them, they develop an illness where they need a caretaker 24/7. You guys are no longer able to be intimate. What do you think you would do? That's all. Just think about it, you know? For yourself. You don't have to answer in the comments, but you can if you want to. And if you've been in that situation, please tell your story. You can hit me up in my email, TashaPAD24. I'm not finished, hold on. So just think about what you would do. And then think about why. One thing I've been doing lately is questioning myself about everything now, which is so beautiful. I question every feeling that I have now, every day. I might have just started doing this a few days ago, but right now I know I question every single thought or emotion I have. Like, okay, well, why do you feel like that? You know, so when you think about this question and your answer is, no, I'm not staying, or I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna stay, but I'm gonna cheat. Whatever the case is, why? You know? I'm asking you this because I'm thinking about unconditional love. I was listening to a meditation yesterday, and it was called Letting Go. No, I wouldn't call it Letting Go. It was something else. I forgot. It don't matter. I'll tell y'all. I'll share the I'll share the meditation. And I did speak about this on a live. To unconditionally love somebody and to be unconditionally loved is a beautiful thing. More so for me, I think, to unconditionally love somebody. To unconditionally love somebody, you have to take away all of your, in my opinion, you got to heal all of your trauma. You have to look at why you think what you think, why you do what you do, why you've done what you've done, why you've accepted all that. I really am about to eat all this. I can get deeper, but I'm not trying to get too deep. I'm just trying to eat this food. My topic yesterday about the woman with depression, I didn't get to finish talking to you. Through the video, I felt like I was preoccupied with other things and I wasn't fully able to be present. I was there, but I wasn't all there, you know? So I want to continue to talk to you. If you didn't see the video, go look at yesterday's video. A lot of people had encouraging words for you. One of the things I wanted to add to yesterday is you are not your trauma. You are not what happened to you. You are not what you've been through. You're not. You think you are. Everybody thinks they are. You know, we hurt about what we've been hurt by, you know. But if it's past, let it stay there and carve out your future. Go where you need to be happy. Go where you need to have peace. If it's with your children, stay there. And don't think about tomorrow. And don't think about yesterday. Think about today. Whatever it is. So my point is, you said that one of the things you said was that you were homeless. And I didn't get to finish saying what I wanted to say about that. That's hard. I've been homeless. I understand. You're not homeless yet. So instead of thinking about, I'm getting ready to be homeless, no, you're not. How about that? No, you're not. Figure out how you're not going to be homeless. Figure out today, right today, when you see this message, what am I going to do to ensure that I continue to stay in my home? What is it that you need to do? You need to find a job, right? You said your ankle is messed up, so you need to find a job at home. Look for that job at home. Reach out. If you guys know some work at home jobs that actually are legit, you can put it in the comments and meditate, because it is doing a number on me. I'm full, y'all. I really feel like I was gonna eat the whole thing. I got this little bit left, but I feel like if I eat the broccoli, I'm so full. So full. I'm about to edit this video. I have this energy drink. I'm about to edit this video. I gotta do this vlog where I gotta eat all these chips that I don't wanna eat, so I'm not really gonna eat them. I should bring this little mouse. It was a mouse outside. I'm sure he wants some chips. Where he at? There's a mouse out there. I tried to give him a cheese it. He didn't want it. This don't make sense to me. You like cheese, don't you? Why you don't want to cheese it? Get on my nerves. He was being bougie. I feel like with a little doo-doo ball hanging from his butt. That's not even cute. I love you guys. I hope I didn't ramble too much. And if I did, shoot me. I love you. Bye.